Today we talk about how can you disable reports notifications on your market coins app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go here above your photo profile, click on it. Then it's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on settings. So then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click here on push notifications here. Then you come to next step here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. Come here to reports. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see, color is gone. That's mean here reports notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.